Hi guys, in today's lifestyle video I have two delicious recipes to share with you. This is a must-have at my house, of course, hot chocolate and a pot roast. To start, what I do is that I saute onions, and while I'm doing that I like to season the meat that I'm going to use. I use salt and pepper and I rub the seasoning in, and then I sear all sides. Then into my actual crock pot, I toss in the meat, and then with what's left on the pan, I don't toss it out. I saute more onions and garlic, of course, and then I toss those in. For extra flavor, I like to pour in wine. You can add as much as you like, and don't think that you have to get an expensive bottle, because you don't. I ended up paying less than $5 for this one, and the reason why I pour it in is because it just brings so much flavor. Then choose the amount of time that you want for the meat to cook. I choose 10 hours because the meat just marinates better, and I actually put carrots inside the crock pot and I leave them throughout the 10 hours because I really like for them to be tender once the meat is ready. As for the mashed potatoes, I like to make them at home, and I boil the potatoes, then I toss them into a dish. I add milk and other ingredients, as you'll see here, and let me tell you, you are going to love this recipe because it's so creamy. Take a look. Then to garnish the dish, I like to add chives. I chop them very thinly, and then this is the end result, guys. Very delicious, very easy, and is a dish that the entire family will love. Now for my favorite part, hot chocolate. Who doesn't love a creamy homemade hot chocolate? The recipe is very simple. You're just gonna boil whole milk, then you're gonna add the cocoa powder, then you're gonna add the vanilla extract, and you're going to stir that. Following, you're gonna add the chocolate chips, and oops, one fell, and what I do afterwards is that I stir it. And then here's the trick: the longer that you stir the actual hot chocolate, that's going to determine how creamy it is. Just look at that. Doesn't that look delicious? Try it for yourself, and I hope that you love this video as much as I loved creating it for you. Make sure to like, subscribe, and follow.